back. Hours after Karnataka Congress MLA Ramesh Kumar triggered massive outrage over his enjoy rape remark, the MLA has now tendered a half-hearted apology in the State Assembly. The MLA was forced to apologize after the massive outrage triggered this comment. BJP women MLAs also protested in the House over the legislator's insensitive remark. The MLA drew an insensitive parallel with rape during a discussion, saying that when rape is inevitable, lie down and enjoy it. So I'm going to go across to Raman Malik of the BJP. Mr. Malik, what I want to ask you is that, this is only symptomatic of a larger disease. It's not just Mr. Ramesh Kumar that we are talking about here. This mindset exists. Now, today it is one individual from Congress. Tomorrow it would be another party. And we have those instances. But how do we get someone like Mr. Ramesh Kumar to understand how damaging it is? Because he is only getting defensive now. He is even getting angry for being questioned on this.
No, you're right on this because, Afrida, you should understand that this mindset, लड़के हैं, गलती हो जाती है, और सब चलता है, or the tandoors, or the rape cases being there, or the allegations on certain prince of doing a rape when it was happening and, the entire family going off. So these all things should not be taken lightly. The sister goes on to say, लड़की हूँ, लड़ सकती हूँ. The most important thing is to fight anything which is not just misogynistic. I would say to fight against evil. Now, I don't say that a rape cannot happen of a male, a rape cannot happen of a transgender. I would say a rape is a rape. And we should not say that, we should not vilify, or we should not say that the rape can happen and enjoy it. That is not something, because it's not the physical assault, it is the emotional, psychological attack that happens on an individual. And we must condemn something like this. Anybody who says it's okay, enjoy it, should be told to go home.
There is a complete casual attitude, and you rightly said that there is no understanding of how serious the issue of rape is. And the fact that these casual references are made, what is the need to draw an analogy with rape, sir, each and every time? And let me remind you, even your Karnataka health minister had made some references of women staying single, unwilling to give birth after marriage, and a desire to have children by surrogacy. That comment came from a member of your party. Then there were references also made by other leaders, in election time, about how roads will be as good as the cheeks of Katrina Kaif, before that Hema Malini. What is the need to make these casual references to women? And this is the worst kind, Mr. Malik. Now it has come to rape.
Look at the number of cases that have happened in Rajasthan. Now a certain Priyanka Gandhi gives a clarion call of ladki hu, lad sakti hu, but she will not bother to look into what is happening in Rajasthan. Though I must say that any place, anywhere, any ill happening around with any individual, leave beside a girl, boy, any person, the ills that are happening in this society must be condemned. But at the same time, those who are giving clarion calls that these things, I'm going to fight against this, must clean up their own house first.
No, BJP needs to clean up as well. It's not party specific. I'm sorry. No, what did Home Minister Araga Gyanendra say? He also joked about the Mysuru gang rape case, saying the Congress is raping us here. Why use the word rape in this kind of a casual, cavalier manner when you know it's such a serious issue in a country like ours? And on the day that we were talking about the Nirbhaya incident, these comments come in.
See, as I told you earlier also, my point is simple. This is a government which started making the change happen, whether it was Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, or whether it was making sure that, death sentence should be asked for the rapist.
No, the focus, I'm sorry, it should be to sensitize the leaders, the public representatives, on how to talk about crimes against women, not make these casual references. No, we will not get into Beti Padhao right now, because there are far more serious issues And the leadership
Sensitization
needs
is
to
not
take
required only
responsibility.
for the leaders. The sensitization is required for the entire nation. Because
But the
nothing,
leaders have to set the right example. They cannot get away with this, Mr. Raman Malik. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm afraid we've run out of time on this. Appreciate your joining us today.